In front of me is AGM H6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices settings and scrolling down to hit this section called Sound and Vibration. Then scroll again and this time tap on Vibration and Haptics. Now it's time to decide if you want to enable or disable Vibration and Haptics thanks to this switcher. If you decided to switch them on, click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Ring vibration, and if you decided to enable them, also vibrate first, then ring gradually option. Notification, alarm, touch feedback, and media. When you finished with all of those, go back, and last but not least, scroll all the way down to operate those two switches as well. One next to charging sounds and vibration, and second one next to our show icon when in vibrate mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!